We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7x14x3 telescopic dump trailer. You have up front your heavy-duty jack. You have an adjustable coupler as well as safety chains. This trailer is made with an 8-inch IBeam frame. Here we have your hydraulic box and the telescopic. This has your breakaway box. This trailer does have stake pockets along the side. Black diamond plate fenders, as well as two Greaseable 7,000-pound axles. This does have 16-inch wheels and tires. This trailer comes wired with LED drive lights, stabilizer jacks, this does have the barn door, as well as slide out loading ramps. Here we have your spare tire holder. Once again, this is our 7x14x3 foot telescopic dump trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.